Guys, welcome back to Dad Said We Could. I'm Jim, and today I'm going to be replacing the ignition on the old Ford. I did a bad move, and I lost the key. So we've been using this tiny old screwdriver. It's been doing decent. Keeps falling out. So, we're going to replace it. This is the new ignition that we got. Came with this neat little keychain. And my favorite part, this little keychain thingy for the keychain, see? Like that. And it even looks like my Ford. So, the first thing we gotta do is take out the old starter. I already cracked off the nut that holds the starter on, the ignition on. This is really easy, sort of, because we just gotta get this off. And then it just comes right off. And there it is. It's dirty. Jeez.
It's pretty old.
Yeah, this is the old one versus the new one.
Yeah, it's not original. Pap and I've changed this before.
Yeah. So, okay, so I got the old starter out. It's right there. I'm gonna put this new starter in. I'm gonna make sure that these spokes are in the correct way. This one that's sort of all alone.
Plug terminals.
Yeah, the plug terminals. The outer plug terminal, I'm gonna call it, it's right here. I'm gonna make sure that's sort of facing toward me, so it's in the proper
Don't forget the body washer.
And I almost forgot to put the body washer on. Put that on.
That's going in there.
Should be
Does
right.
it fit in the factory hole? Oh no.
Oh, it's so close.
It's a little bit bigger. Try it through the front just to see if it fits.
It is less than a millimeter.
Well, that's all right. We can fix that.
It's a microscopic away. So, I guessed that it was 1 millimeter bigger. I was wrong. It's 2 millimeters smaller than the original one that we had in here. Anyway, I'm going to drill this with the step bit up 1 step of these. And that should be big enough. So... that should be good enough.
Let's try it.
Okay. Let's just put this. That's good.
Okay.
Okay, now on with the installation. Back.
We'll probably need to drill out from the back side a little bit.
Okay.
Good old American steel here. They made things a bit thicker back in the 60s.
However,
it's not like the thin little body panels and stuff on newer tractors.
I don't know.
Need a hand?
Need more space for the drill.
Okay, let me give you a hand.
Okay. We got it. We got it in the. Now we're tightening the nut that holds on the ignition. I'm in trouble with the wrench here. As you can see, we've drilled.
You need the bigger adjustable wrench?
No.
Got it?
Think so. Now we can put the battery back in. And then hook it up and test her out. Okay, so time for a test. really great that people still make parts for these older tractors. We can't find these parts locally, so it's really good that we can just go on the internet and find something that almost fits perfectly. And it was really easy. Dad and I did this 30 minutes, if that, and we got a cool keychain out of it. And it's really cool because it matches the tractor. And yeah. So, thanks for watching. Dad said we could.